big brand sale is
Okay, Orlando Pirates played with Amazulu again, but this time it was the league. It wasn't it wasn't any tournament. Yeah, but so Orlando Pirates won that game by goal to nil, courtesy of a goal from Utselfatso Mabasa. So kumaske sive ke ngokuba uthini uJunior Khanye noNkululeko, my brother. Bakhala ngathi there was an issue with the referees here and there. Otherwise, yeah, man. After watching the video, or before you even watch the video, make sure that you go and subscribe to the page of Itiski TV, and don't forget to subscribe. Nalapha kuleya man. Thank you bafowethu, maske sibavu babathini.
Bring your
I-ads
business ideas to life.
bathini abakwi-comments.
Print your inspirations from your phone with a printer that has the right
Babu,
ingredients.
Brangu,
Get no
uyayitwa
watering
nice
printouts
parrots.
and up to 3 years of
Yeah, Mr.
printing
Printer, but
already
Salenga always
included.
on call for you.
HP
Carrying the
Smart
boys
Tank.
confidence to always do to stop this thing. Oh, yeah. I want to hear what you know.
Join me, Iman Rapeti, and some of the brightest minds on a 10-episode podcast series where we do everything you need to know about South Africa's energy
This is very
transition.
important for South Africa.
Get it exclusively with Investec Focus Radio.
Salenga got disappointed then.
the big brand sale is now on at OK Furniture, and you stand a chance to win big when you save big. Buy any participating brand before the 26th of May 2024, and you could drive away with a brand new Toyota Vitz. There are 15 cars to be won, so don't miss out. View our latest catalog and shop these deals in store or online until the 21st of April 2024. T's and C's apply. It is going to be powered by World Sports Betting. It is times.co.za. So,
Junior Khanye seems to be in a good mood.
3 wins back to back. Orlando Pirates winning again for the second week running. Orlando Pirates get a controversial decision that obviously was not a red card, and that obviously is the reason why Orlando Pirates won, because Amazulu, for a change, they actually were here to play. They actually played better than Pirates at times, even when they had 10 men. However, it's Orlando Pirates winning and Tsegofatso Mabasa scoring as well. So well done to Orlando Pirates. Well done to Tsegofatso Mabasa as well. He is really rebuilding his football career at Orlando Pirates. And I think he's part of the top goal scorers as well. Maybe 11 goals so far this season. Junior Khanye, analyst, what do you make of the game? So let me start as well from the moment here, red card. Do you agree with it? How much did it change the game as well? Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Justice.
Just.
Ngibulise Benedict Sophie lakazi. Ngibona nama visitor namhlanje.
Visitor kamoja. SABC 1.
Yeah, I know. Ingo ezilandela.
TV, amazi uSitv noTshwane TV.
Yeah.
Amadoda kaSoweto TV. A community broadcasters.
Yeah, ngibulisele ngwenyethu so.
So.
Bafethu kunjani, keep on supporting iTiski TV, fighting no one, try to fix South African football. Yeah, enkuleko mfethu. I need to be honest.
Red card.
If he doesn't say Nkululeko, my brother is going to say, I need to be honest. I allegedly.
I don't understand this refereeing. Mabati consistent today. Okay, today listen to us. When you talk about, we're not complaining about set like referee 1 or 2. We're talking about all the refereeing. The standard of refereeing in South African football still improve, because this is a break it. Let decide this game. Because the red card change, he play any coach. They are Amazulu. Maunga check a tactical Amazulu were broken after the red card.
Absolutely. And so, they even tried. Though.
They tried, yes. They never sit back. Compliment. Now we'll couple of speaking about so. But it goes now. I don't think it's strong enough now psychological. Coach inside. He's supposed to approach it this way. Play this Brooks. Game. You've got attackers of Fagama defend the middle last week. More sacrifices. This is a payback. So today much better pay with no one today. And then a red card. I think you were sacrificed by the referee. Yeah.
Explain what you saw in that red card. Why do you not say it's not a red card?
I mean, that was a good pass. And then there was a player running to the ball from Orlando Pirates. Maswanganye. And then Mopara start with the ball. And then Tindang Maswanganye.
If you want to see the red card, you can go to Facebook. Yeah, I saw it on Facebook. Vino Snap took pictures of, like, he took it out perfectly. You know how Vino Snap is good with the camera, and so out the eye of God. So yeah, he did capture that moment, and according to me, it was also not a red card. Standard of refereeing in South Africa, Fnekas new no cap.
And then the guy Tito falls. Magafola Tito. What happened is, I think the referee lomfana utenge, he bought the referee, and then the referee upege action yakhe, he went straight. I think the lineman futa kusuri.
Yeah, because the referee didn't give him a yellow card, he didn't give him a red card. Initially, he was just going to give a foul.
But now I'm blame because he's a decision maker. Or referee like decision yakhe yokugcina. So I believe me now referee is supposed to say no, leave him. I think mina ngijaji foul. I know ukuthi yena kuyima ngabe ujaji foul. It's denying the scoring opportunity. I believe. So he accelerated cut. I think AmaZulu were robbed there, and our referee need to improve the standard of football. I'm not talking about specific this, but Law decided came
also,
to.
let me just on that point. Boss wabo, the head of the referee kwaSAFA, the guy obanika appointment. Bekakhuluma kuRadio bemxoxisa ngale penalty the whole week, and the one thing that I came away with. Into bekayikhuluma ukuthi akuna crisis yabo referee abantu abayekele overreactor bangabona ama decisions I1 or I2 but ukuthi kune crisis yabo referee. That's what their boss wabo referee bekasho ukuthi there's no crisis with the referee.
Abanga spices ke you know don't apply their faces if we foul. And if the decision is grand, we're not going to bias them by short. I mean, our eyes is to see and on the talk about. I mean, the referees they are so poor. See, show the game specific.
Yeah, many games.
We watch game here. We work week in and week out in Gule. With these referees, they are poor. So, Chita, we're not going to listen. Yes, he's making a statement for media, for people, but we are as with Amor referee back. They are so poor. Begalo referee decision. If he can go back now, he's going to feel ashamed. Begalo referee, and that's the referee. If you look at and you go backwards, he was suspended. As you said,
yes.
He was suspended. This referee.
Cedric Movario for 6 months, I think.
Yes.
Once upon a time, he was suspended.
So reputation yakhe ikutshele into ngayo. So uma niyakhuluma nje umjita, but the referee today wins the blunder. So going to the game, I think first a Pirates.
So if the referee was suspended for about 6 months, then he pulls out it decided because AmaZulu had that game under control. Then after that red card, they lost the game. Not just the game, but 3 points as well. So I wonder what is SAFA going to do about this?
I know there are games that they are getting away with it, especially without playing with the right forward. I think Yaba sacrificed so many players.
Yeah.
You don't know where Dlamini plays specific position. You were inconsistent. Secondly, this Masongai boy, one of the best player, Pirates win a game, it doesn't have speed, but decision making. I mean, I need to be honest. They don't give a specific position between him and Dlamini, but him, Maga space. Always he find himself, when he caught the ball, something can happen. Because he hardly pass sideways or backwards. Maybe Gunguti Kusugana 2 people around him, but he hardly lose the ball, and always mostly he find his passes or different splitting passes between defense and between defense and the keeper. So he did very well as I did on the Pirates. Nishuguti impact in the first half, but and also the left wing part.
What I really like about Grootman Junior Kanye is the fact that if you when into wrong, he'll tell you ban are not playing. But if you're good at what you do, he'll also point it out. That's what I like about him. He's not biased. He doesn't take sides or anything. Whatever it is that he thinks, he just says it straightly, blatantly as it is. That's what I like about this guy.
Pirates player. Him and Mfokeng, I think there's a combination in the first half part, and also the left wing Pirates player. Ngikhuluma ngomfukeng.
Okay.
Him and Mfukeng, I think there's a
But
combination.
Maswanganyi.
And uyakwazi ukuyifunda. Ngikhuluma ngaye uMaswanganyi. Nomfukeng uyakwazi ukubona ukuthi okay, the player that if I can pass the ball, I believe he can find me. I need to be nearer to him. Yeah, but there was a combination between two of them, but supposed to be complemented to Dlamini.
Explain why Orlando Pirates failed to break down Amazulu for such a long time. Because Amazulu is cut to sit since the 20th minute. They were 10 men down. Why did Orlando Pirates struggle to score until late in the game?
I think the defense did very well. Asqala kumaZulu, I think they were also organized. They did very well. Aboskhakhane as well. Organization wabo bemnandi, but Pirates themselves as well, playing sideways. I need to be honest. Ipolela la middle team uyalithathisa side they bring pass it back to team. Team uyalithatha unikeza uMakhehleni wide to Mfukeng, cut it in. You want sometimes a shoot far. So there was no different splitting passes. Bekungana movement enough. So there was no link umuntu nearer to him. Second half Orlando Pirates, I think bringing Usaling, good run from him, good pass from Tito. Good run from him. Usaling wins in the right lap. Some nigga. Run.
Oh yeah, CR7, man of the match, player of the season.
Yeah, last season. Mina Mariaza, mina ngimnandi.
CR7.
Hey, abantu ngihlangana nezinye egarage lapha sithi junior, you hate the guy. Ngithi abafethi ipola is anybody's opinion, yabo. The guy if he's doing well ngizosho. Yeah, understand. So namanje good run. Good cutback and good finish from Mabasa. Positioning Mabasa.
What do you think about Mabasa? Actually, last question from me to you. What do you think about him? I mean, Uyago Swalos at some point this season, which is the reason why Agui top goal scorers list, because I think he scored 7 or 8 there. Magafiego Pirates Manju, Ehlanganisa has been 4 or 5 goals scored. What do you think about him? His form, nokuziphakamisa kwakhe, improve kwakhe?
Yeah, good. I think a player who this is how you respond as a professional player if you get the chance. If coach doesn't believe.
Okay. Obvious. Orlando Pirates, ibina strikers ninzi mos. Uzakhele lipasa naye bepha no Tsafatso Mabasa, and they were both loaned out omnye Super Sport. But obviously I think uzakhele buya at the beginning of the season. No Tsafatso Mabasa bistrika ngabake ngo Marone. But uMarone ebesihlala man isitulo man. Hey. Boyithumela radio pani competition ziyakhala.
Even somebody get the injury.
They even have umpumelelo ndaba ku TDC. Umpumelelo ndaba ne khona le yayifasa 9 libele nje fani yakhe. Anqela 17 umpumelelo ndaba. Then bekho le idla inqembu 9. What? Okay, masiye again.
A player ebamthanda kakhulu ku Pirates, Evident Makgopa.
Mani mlibele. Yini ubufakazi?
I think this guy Utemalimala. I'm not too sure he's injured or what. Yes, he's injured.
He was on loan Mabasa, and then Mabebuya Afcon. Wabuyela Orlando Pirates, and then Evidence Makgopa was injured. Watole opportunity Mabasa.
This is how you crap as a professional player, and this is how you finish. This guy is different between Kshanoko or Scores. He scored goals. He reminds me of Colin Besuma. I remember Manghlana na Tipala movie. He scored nguleko and position perfect. Because the cut back. Omunye bego run forward. Omunye be late kule lapho. But the timing of that run and the good finish as well. Omunye be ngal champion sipali. And then good technique I sebenzisile and good square pass. I need to be honest from Saling. From there, I think Paris look better in terms of ball circulation of the ball, game management. They look much better with pass the ball around.
Correct.
But bringing on Rondo, I think you need to learn, man. If you are given a chance from the bench, compete on team and Makhehleni that is doing so well after joining Orlando Pirates, you can't make decision. You shoot it from a center, boy. I mean, we'll combine lapha kuMaroma Kalansi. That you want to. That's your strength. Manje ma shooter from far. Isitshelane ngoba iPirates got the ball, they pass ba move ibola kahle game management. He got the ball, he shoot the ball, ibola sebaluzile. Starta ku goal kick. Let ball alibuya li dangerous. So, well done to Orlando Pirates, especially second half yes, I think they were much better compared to first half. First half that was not Pirates thing. He winner 7 and he winner 4-1.
All right, there you go. Thank you very much to Junior. Again, second week running with questionable decisions from the referee. I suppose the whole weekend on radio.
I feel like his analysis is how like the short, 11 minutes, 27 seconds. It's like young the benza bengamil. And I feel like, yo, I just wish that they can do something, man. Babe relax, take their own time, man. Give Junior Kanye to expose some of the things that Tina we don't see, because we are watching it from the perspective of being a fans, and then he's watching it from that from like he's viewing the game from the analyst's point of view, yabo. So that is how he's able to reveal such information. Yes, but make sure you watch and you follow with Diski TV even on Facebook, because during halftime of the games, Benedict Tsovilakazi and Junior Kanye give the analysis zabo payana. Wow, okay, yeah, let's see what Nkululeko will say as he's wrapping this up.
Everywhere in the country, that will be the point of discussion. Orlando Pirates again from a referee's decision, and of course being able to win a game. If you remember last week, it was 1-0 to AmaZulu up until a penalty was given to Orlando Pirates, where there was minimal, if any, contact. So once again, here it happened with Abubakar Mubara, a former Orlando Pirates defender as well. There you go. Orlando Pirates are number 2 now on the log table. I always say that the most exciting part of the DSTV Premiership is the battle for number 2. Last week it was a different number 2. Today or tonight it's Orlando Pirates at number 2. Next week it will definitely be a different number 2, and so on and on and on it goes. All we know is that Mamelodi Sundowns have already wrapped up the league. It is TV, Diski Times, also Sporting. Thank you for watching us.
Yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Please make sure you subscribe to Diski TV app, and you can also click notifications and say all payan, and then don't forget you can also come here with the Pago EBTV, and please subscribe. Thank you so much for bani bukele. Thank you for